guys, welcome back to Review and Unboxing.
Today we're going to be reviewing and unboxing Snifflin Sawyer. It's a polar bear for real. We've opened just one for real on this channel, which is Furreal Saber-Tooth Kitty North. Go check that out if you haven't seen it. Okay, at the back it says comfort her, feed her, and cuddle her. And here there's a cute picture of her.
Looks just like it.
Yep.
Let's open it.
Let's open it.
Okay. Let's start opening it.
It's a little bit hard to open. Oh,
There we go. There's the bottle.
there's the bottle.
What else we got?
Okay, I'm gonna open this. There's this part right here. I need to get.
Okay, we're gonna get him out.
There we go. Ooh, there's a lot of those what is it, cords type of things
Yeah. There's tape on
with
a lot.
tape. Yeah.
Tape. Always tape.
They're always so well packaged, these things. It's hard to open all this stuff.
Yeah, really hard to open.
Yep. Pretty hard.
Well, I think the best thing to do is to cut it with a pair of scissors.
Best thing to do is cut it. Try to get a lot of this.
See how fast this goes. Doing that, I'm looking at the bear here. These are the directions that come with it. And Snifflin Sawyer makes a lot of sniffling noises, right? Because he's got a cold. The polar bear's got a cold.
Yeah, he got a fold. It's pretty hard, this one. The first one wasn't hard. Here, I'll hold the camera.
All right, let me see. All right.
While we're waiting, we'll look at the bottle right here.
Now, there's still stuff on the back of him too, it looks like.
Whoa, really well packaged.
Yes. This is very strange. Here we go. Let me.
Never seen
You show them the what do you call them for it? Directions and stuff. Is there anything
Alright.
interesting in there?
Here's a picture of him on the directions. It shows the batteries. What you need, if you need a screwdriver or a knife or not to open it. Shows what kind of batteries it is right there. It shows some writing right here. You can pause and look at it if you want to get one of these. Here's the other side. It shows you a lot. Here's his bottle. It kind of wobbles at the bottom. And
All right. Now,
we got him. Okay, you can hold the camera now.
all right.
We got him.
So where do you have to press to make some noises?
So you press him down right here, his head.
Cute. Sniffling noises. So here he is, Furreal Sawyer, Snifflin
Yep.
Sawyer. And we're gonna play with them, right?
Yep.
Girls, you're gonna play with them, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for
And hit
more
the bell.
videos. Hit the bell and all that good stuff. We'll see you guys soon.